In order to create a screencast demonstration with iPad, there are a couple tools that you will need to use. By double-clicking the Home button, you will bring up an additional menu which will allow you to select the AirPlay tool. With AirPlay mirroring, you can send everything on your iPad's display to an Apple TV or to another Apple device wirelessly. I am currently projecting my iPad display onto my MacBook Air. I am using software called AirServer that will communicate with my iPad on AirPlay to display my iPad image onto my MacBook. Using AirPlay on iPad in conjunction with using AirServer on my MacBook is what allows me to create my screencast demonstrations on my iPad. Currently, my mirroring setting is turned on. However, if I turn it off, it will not project my iPad anymore onto my MacBook. However, if I select my AirServer software on my MacBook, which is Mr. Land's, I can then choose the option of turning my mirroring on or off. By selecting on, it will then communicate with my MacBook and it will project my iPad. Now, before I project my iPad display onto my MacBook, I need to make sure that I have AirServer turned on and running on my MacBook. When I want to use AirServer, I can simply click on an icon in order to launch the software. Here I can simply click on AirServer to launch AirServer. By selecting my AirServer tool, I can change some different options. By clicking on Preferences, I will open up my preferences about AirServer. My preferences in AirServer will allow me to change the display name of my computer. It will also allow me to change my password. It will allow me to rebroadcast my AirServer. It will allow me to choose to rebroadcast automatically, to show AirServer in my menu bar, and to launch on startup. So, if you're interested in creating a screencast demonstration on iPad, be sure to buy AirServer and download the software onto your MacBook so that you can communicate your iPad display to your MacBook.